Welcome to PC Gaming Tech Summary. I'm your host Gamer, and today I think we need to hold off on buying graphics cards. A lot going on out there. Intel especially, they are releasing a new CPU that mines, okay? A mining central processing unit, okay? And also, within about summertime in the US, in the middle of the year, by then there'll be the new Intel graphics cards coming out. Now, whether they're any good or what's in them, what kind of hardware, if they're going to be as good as the NVIDIA cards, I don't know. But they are saying they plan to release 4 million graphics cards this year. That's a lot of graphics cards. Okay, so, and the prices have dropped on graphics cards. In fact, I just looked at the price today of this graphics card I bought exactly a year ago, 25th of February, 2021, and it's $10 less in my area. So finally, the prices have dropped back on some of the cards. Now, a year ago, I could have got the 3080 for about double the price of a 3060, but that is not the case anymore. Okay, no, not even. The price of the 2080 is still up there, maybe because it's such a good card for miners. Hey, well, right now, if you were gonna go out and buy a graphics card, I'm just telling you, there's a lot going on, and you might just want to wait. If I was going out to buy a graphics card, I would definitely take pause. Now, we've been getting a lot of wishy-washy stuff about these Intel graphics cards being released. No certain date. We don't know the exact progress. And yeah, just things are a bit up in the air. So I definitely, on an Intel graphics card, I would wait for a review. I know it's going to be tough to do so. But if you don't want to take that risk, the other graphics cards, the NVIDIA especially, and AMD, but especially NVIDIA cards, they may drop even further as these get released with the CPU. So the CPU is going to be released for mining within 2 months. Okay, and then Intel's going to be making mining graphics cards as well, low power mining graphics cards. So they're going to be targeting that mining market with graphics cards and making it profitable for them. Okay, so a lot going on, and I don't know. I mean, you can do what you like, but if it was me, I would just kick myself if I bought one tomorrow and it's half the price in 2 months or something, you know. Hello. But also, keep in mind another thing. USA, you're paying like 30% tariff from China, okay? As China sends over those graphics cards that are made over there into the US, there's 30% tacked onto it. So if you live near the Canadian border, if you're able to get over there and buy a card, check their prices there. See if you can go and buy a card over there and then come back. Who knows? Just thought I'd mention that. So those are the 3 things. Intel CPUs for mining, Intel GPUs for mining, Intel GPUs for gaming. I hope I helped. Thanks for joining us here on PC Gaming Tech Summary. And if you want to be updated on what's going on, just subscribe and you'll get notified. And don't forget, you'll be seeing me in the next video.